Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Mikey. Yeah. Okay, so this is my video again by myself. Well, actually, Rachel's here with me, but she's only gonna be recording because this is gonna be about my car again. And today we're gonna do the sexy exhaust. Okay, so if I got you in the background, if I got you right here, either way, you're still gonna record. They're still gonna hear your voice. Why? Look at me. The Sexy Adventures with Mikey. Yeah, guys, so right now we're going to do my exhaust, so let me show you the quick setup right now. Alright, guys, so on the clip we go. Woo! Alright, so the setup is, so since we're poor out here, you know what I'm saying, Brian? So we got to put it on bricks. So the setup is that I got this side already done, also too, with bricks and the jack. Anyways. So there goes the exhaust. I have to push them up back so you can get on an elevator with the, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh my god, here goes the public spots. Okay. You gotta connect. And there goes the O2 sensor. We got it! Woo! Oh shit, I'm gonna have to go all the way back there and plug that thing in. Okay. Stay still, my buddy. Can you pass me the boats? Somebody?
Hey. Fuck.
No, not those boats. The other boats. The boats with the springs.
You need a rinse suit?
No, just the boats. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm good at sandpapering.
If the car falls on me, I'm dead, okay? Time for the most hardest one.
Where's the little thing at, Mikey?
The what?
To turn on the water.
It should be on the ground.
Just remember not to. I don't see it.
Why is it doing that? Why is it like over there?
You just finished.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get up then.
fuck. In hell, man. My nut! Oh my god, why my nut? Okay.
Ricky, where'd you leave the little thingies?
Hey, are you seeing progress?
Oh my goodness gracious. stuffing.
How the hell am I supposed to put a freaking...
What are you doing?
I have to stop making that boat move. Oh shit, it's raining outside.
Yeah.
Go inside if you need to.
Let me just bark.
Huh?
You know what? I think it's zoomed in. Yeah, it's zoomed in. This is some shitty footage, but just with good editing, you can make it work. Make it work.
Yeah.
Michael, I eat the better.
The what?
A bomb.
Charlie! You're back!
For 14.
You're using the 14.
No, I'm using an iron.
Mikey,
Fuck.
Mikey,
What? What, Mia?
eat the bomb. Better.
Yes, I ate the chicken.
You did?
Yes.
Swear.
Just kidding. Alright guys, so that was a pain in the ass. But we did it. As you can see in my shirt, all the oil stains from being down there. I did it, well technically I did it with a little bit of help. But I put the exhaust on. Let's see how it sounds. Let me just take away the few blocks and then what's it called? We'll get right into the sound, alright guys? Yeah. Oh, you're still recording? Now, let me put this back in there. Let me go get my keys.
Are we gonna go to a car wash?
Yeah. Yes! Alright guys, so y'all saw me doing the exhaust. It was a lot of work and it was fun. Wait, hold up. Focus on my face. Alright, ooh, can't breathe, I just ran. Yeah guys, so I'm glad to have the Civic back. We're about to get a shower, so we're about to show you a little montage of the shower. Alright guys, please leave a like, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. I was about to say, and keep moving forward, but that's TJ's hunt. I don't know why I was gonna say that, but anyways guys, yeah, like and subscribe, and
American tea, American tea, American tea.